Senator, all the kind of holiday in our place. All the upper street light preaching. They are the whole house in our place. Each hall will have one, each hall will have one. All Senator, with the area, Anambra State. The whole hall in Anambra State. All over now. Street lights. Nacha City, original one. Donated by Ojodipo. Free Baptiste. I see no in our midst. Yes. Welcome in our midst. I am boss Senator in the scholarship. Senator our friend of the world. Yes, Senator the district of the world. He got the world in our place. He will write his flights. All Senator. Donate the world in our place. The street lights. And Ashake. As the Senator representing Anambra Central in our midst, Ojodipo Diakese, Ahamadika Lipo, Ahamadika Nigeria, Ahamadika Wanine, Ahamadika Global, for the scholarship in Modo. The young man in Anambra State and Lakane, all went on a global, all went on a global logo, all went on a global, all went on the already teaching. In the whole town, there was street lights, not just seeking, all donated to the whole towns. Ahamadika Lipo, I see the Lord in our midst. Senator, Sam, Victor, Dume, why not live in our midst? I will not say no. Senator representing Anambra Central at the Red Chambers at the Senate House. I see you are very welcome in our midst. Yes. This woman got the pressure. Hey, what's that table in the shop? That's it for the seeker. Okay, can I just buy it? Brother, good to see me. We go get without Tulu. I didn't check on the two way before. Like I have an okay. You will have whatever.